One word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. Continue to walk forward in peace. Continue to walk forward in the knowledge that I am the Lord who walks with you in the cool of the night, the Lord who walks with you in every circumstance, in every situation of life. For I am right there by your side. I am the one who is lighting up the road ahead of you, lighting up the steps before you, so that you will not stumble or fall. I am the one who is bringing my peace into your heart, the one who is renewing you, the one who is strengthening you. Do not lean to your own understanding, but lean upon me, knowing that I am guiding and leading you every step of the way. You will see, and you will know that I am the Lord. You will see, and you will know that I am good. For I am the one who is establishing my promises in your life, the one who is bringing forth heaven's best. You will see, and you will know my goodness in your life, for I am walking with you every step of the way. Hand in hand and step by step, I lead you forward in freedom. I lead you forward in victory. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.